sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market calls. She fed the world with a golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh mama, wipe your tears tonight. Your light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food in sight, but we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, our spirit live, it will never decay. Rich men dine in the city lights, while your people shiver through the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young. Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, and still I hear love in the reggae beat. Every dreadlock man, every Rasta child, carry her story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? Why you cry? Children hungry, no food in sight. Stand as one, stand as one. But we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Stand as one, stand and hold on tight, we'll make it right. Cape Coast to London sound. We chant the same song, we beat the same drum. Different color but the blood run one. Them try divide me with border and line, but love no race, love is divine. So me lift my voice, me sing it clear. All nations come, the time is near. One world, one heartbeat, hear it in the drum. Jah love connect the people, we all want. No more war, no more hate. Let the love vibrate, let the world elevate. One world, one heartbeat, children of the sun. Unity rise, the battle done. Lift your hands, chant this song. One word, we belong. Me see the children hungry, crying out, while the leaders fight for clothes. But me know one day the walls will fall when the people hear Jacka. Africa smile, Caribbean sway. Spirit of love, guide we way. Me no care about skin or creed. Jah plant the same seed. Hey, every nation come together. We stronger now than ever. Hold the light, let the darkness fade. One love foundation lay. One world, one heartbeat, beating through every color, red, black, white, blue. Jah music heal the pain inside. One word, love we guide. Ubuntu, I am because we are one world family, near and far, Simone, yeah. Together we rise, your light shining. All we eyes from beat, they go from shore to shore. One world people, fight no more. Lift your heart, let your spirit free. One world, unity. Rise again, love conquer mountain, conquer pain. From trench down hills to Accra Street, we move to one heartbeat. One world, one heartbeat, Jah plan divine. Peace and justice in Jah time. Play the drum, sing the song. One world, where we all belong. Me feel the rhythm deep inside. Earth and heaven now collide. Jah love flow like ocean wide. One word, one heartbeat. We ride a bit.
Candle praying through the gloom. She said, child, even when the night feel long, remember every tear can become a freedom song. Daddy gone, but his voice live in our breeze. Stand tall even when you don't on your knees. So me wipe me eyes, step into the sun, cause the journey hard, but me not run. Every broken heart can rise again. Every lonely night must meet the dawn. Jah never yesterday now strong. From Trenchtown streets to Cape Town sky, we lift with voice, with spirit high. Tears turn to freedom, no more chains. Love wash away the deepest stains. Hold the fire, keep it burning bright, till the whole world step into the light. Me see youths them fight just to survive. Me see hope in the little child eyes. Them barefoot, but them still dancing rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze, home in ancient tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land ghetto corners to mountain top. We rise up, never stop. Tears turn to freedom, hand in hand, one blood, one love across the land. Oh, the world try break we down, still we crown with Zion sound. Freedom coming in the morning light. Wipe your tears, everything alright. Jah love carry we through the fight, till darkness fade out of sight.
Mama cry, drum beat echo from the mountain lion. Ubuntu, one love, no deny. Rise up people, open your eye. Hear the river crying down the valley low. Trees whisper secrets only ancient spirits know. Mama earth is bleeding, she calling out in pain. But Babylon keep taking no shelter from the rain. Ubuntu, we are one, no bother, no divide. Same blood in our veins, same ocean tide. From Kingston streets to Soweto sky, we stand as one, we never say die. Rise up for Mama Earth. Stop the burning, stop the earth. From Trenchtown roots to Nairobi sun, we are one people, we shall overcome. Rise up, hear the heartbeat drum. No more silence, time for overcome. Children barefoot in a desert sun, searching for water with empty hand. Still them smile, still them sing just song. Even when the nights feel cool and long. Jambo Rafiki, peace to the land. Hold my heart in your hand. We plant the seeds of love in us all. Watch it grow, despite the tide. Rise up for Mama Earth. Heal the land, give it worth. From Addis Ababa to Spanish Town, all are when people, when life beat them down. Yeah, Mama no cry. Lift your head up to the sky. Oh yeah. Jah protect we from the mountain to the sea.
If the earth die, we die too. So why we fight each other instead of holding hands and heal her? Mama Earth is not a place we own, it's a place we borrow from the children.
Rise up, Mama don't fade. Give her love like a newborn lay. From Kingston Harbor to Cape Town shore, one not one world forevermore. Jah light guide the way. walking down this dusty lane. No need diamonds, no need fame. Every heartbeat sounds the same. Chasing love, not chasing fame. On a one love highway, where the music plays and worries fade. On the golden days, hold my hand, don't be afraid. We'll find peace along the way. On a one love highway, love will guide us every day. People come and people go, but the river still will flow. Kindness is the seed we sow. Watch it rise and gently grow. No borders in this melody, just hearts in unity. Let the rhythm set us free. One love for you and me. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Oh, oh. Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky. A quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can't cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze. Nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away. Let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets gray. One love, highway. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may.
When the night come down, me heart start to hum. A sweet, sweet rhythm from the beating drum. Your eyes like fire, your soul like rain. You wash my sorrow, you ease my pain. Girl, you're the blessing from Jah above. Me find me peace in your tender love. No diamond shine like the light you bring. Every time you smile, me heart starts sing. Me say, baby, don't you ever go astray, 'cause your love guide we every day. When the storm come crash and the night get cold, we hold each other, never lose control. It's a sweet melody of your love, flowing down from the stars above. Every heartbeat, every breath we take is a song of love that Jah create. Sweet melody of your love, like a dove flying over the sky above. No fear, no hate can tear apart this love that live inside we are. Me remember when my life feel dry. You bring the water, you make me high. Your voice like sunshine after rain, it heals teach me grace. In your arms, me find my place. No silver, no gold can buy this way. Jah know me love you every day. So let the rhythm play slow and long. We sway together to just sweet song. Through this struggle, me not complain. Cause love like ours never go in vain. Sweet melody of Jah love, blessed from the heavens above. Through the fire, through the rain, our heartbeat one again. Oh, sweet melody of Jah love, we rise like morning dove. No chain, no wall can break this love Jah himself create. Jah loving our soul tonight. Shine your light, oh Jah light. When darkness comes, we still hold tight. Cause love is strong, Jah make it right. All together, one flame, one destiny. You and I, Jah harmony. And sweet melody of Jah love, rising high like morning dove. Let the trumpet sing, let the drums play on. Cause this love will never done. And sweet melody of Jah love, flow like river, pure and tough. Forever yours, forever true. Jah bless the love between me and you. Sweet melody, Jah love within we. Oh, in every breath, in every seed, sweet melody of Jah love, forever flow from above. Oh yeah.
Me come from the root, me come from the fire. Drum beat on my blood, truth never tire. Mama Africa call me name from afar. Say child, remember who you are. Me no live for vanity, me no live for show. Me live for truth that the ancestors know. From the desert sun to the river Nile, the spirit of the roots man never go mild.
They try to twist the story, try to hide the face, but the spirit of the roots man still up on the place. No matter how Babylon system try, them can't stop Jah people rise high. Roots man vibration,
Feeling on the ground,
drum and bass keep rolling round and round.
from Kingston town to Addis Ababa sound. Jah light never lost, it's always found.
Roots man vibration,
Rise up and stand.
all your culture in your hand. One love, one faith, one creation. Which one is roots man vibration?
Me see the youth them lost in a social maze, chasing shadow, forgetting the old ways. But me tell them no worry, come home again. The ancestors watching through the mountain rain. Every dreadlock, every drum beat cry, remember your root, don't let it die. Me see the vision clearing as I am breathe. Freedom grow like fruit on the tree.
Some say progress mean forgetting past, but without root, no tree can last. So stand tall, my brothers and my sisters. The root at the start, not the end.
Mama Africa, me hear your song. Roots man never go wrong. From Ghana to Jam down land.
One jaw, one heart, one stand.
Lift your drum, beat it strong. Babylon fall, Jah kingdom come.
Hey,
drums take up the war.
Freedom voice echo for all.
No more chain, no more fear.
We bring the message loud and clear. Rootsman vibration.
Light up the sky.
Just spirit never die. Raise your flag, sing this song. Rootsman heart forever strong. Drums still beating, fire still burning. Rootsman stand tall, just still turning. Africa, my mama, feel your call. One world, one love, for all who care.
Dust of broken town, people cry but still stand strong. Babylon a push we down, but the heart keep beating on. Mama said, child, no let the fire in your soul. For every chain them try for bind, your light will take control. Children barefoot in the street, sing a song of better days. Elders whisper ancient prayers in 1,000 humble ways. Though the night feel long and cold, we now bow to fear of pain. Cause the spirit of the ancestors still running through we vein. Hear the drum beat on the wind, calling I and I again. Stand together hand in hand, break the invisible chain. No matter tribe, no matter skin, we all bleed the same red. So lift your voice up to the sky, let the fire spread. Rise up, oh lion, burning flame we cannot part. From Africa to island shore, we stronger than we were before. One love, one blood, one destiny. No hatred, no more enemy. Jah guide we spirit through the storm. Together we rise, together we born. Yeah. Together we born, together we born. Oh yeah. Peter Tosse, stand firm for your right. Bob Marley chant one love tonight. Loki Dube cry out, prisoner of war. Steel pulse beat the drum of hope once more. We carry them voice like sacred flame. Each generation call Jah name. Even if the system try to blind we sight, truth shine deeper than the night. No more brother fight, brother sister quarrel in vain. We not divide by color, by language or name. Africa heartbeat in a reggae sound. From Kingston streets to Cape Town ground, burning spear in a breeze still blow. Marcus Garvey words must grow. Rise up, oh lion heart. Fire burn both we not depart. Hold the line, don't lose the faith. Jah timing never come too late. One tribe, one voice, unity. Drum of freedom set we free. Though the world still full of pain, together we rise again. Drum a beat for the fallen brave. We remember from slave ship tears to the freedom way. We surrender never, never. Lift your fists high, let the fire ignite. In a Jah love we win this fight. Oh, spirit of the lion roar. We not bow down no more. Rise up, oh lion heart. From the ashes we depart. Carry hope like morning sun, till the battle day is won. One word, your head low, don't question no. But me see truth in the rising sun. Babylon rule soon done. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still stand tall, me no feel no pain. Cause the power of Jah live deep inside. No system can stop this ride.
No bullet, no bomb, no chain can hold. Revolution come in a heart so bold. Wake up the youth, hope in your eyes. Time to see through Babylon disguise.
One drop revolution, beat up the heart. Freedom sound, tear Babylon apart. No gun, no hate, no illusion. Just love and one drop revolution. One drop revolution, feel it in your soul. Music heal the people, make them whole. Truth and right, our only solution. One love, one drop revolution. No, 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 no.
Drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no.
One drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no.
Drop revolution.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
One drop revolution.
Me see the leaders talking on big TV, but hungry still up on every street me see. Them build it tower high, forget the poor. How long we are suffer more? Me tell me people unite, don't fight. Light overcome the darkest night. From Trenchtown straight to Jakarta sun. The freedom song just begun.
Can't silence truth with silver chain. Can't stop the root from grow again. So we're chanting out the name of Jah. Rebel with love, that's who we are.
One drop revolution, sound of the drum. We rise again no matter where we from. From Kingston town to world vibration. Freedom spread like fire nation. One drop revolution, no turning back. Stand firm, we punch a track. Sing it loud, no more confusion. Lovely the one drop revolution. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fire for corruption, fire for greed. One drop give the people what them need.
Rise up, youth man, don't be blind. Truth and love, free your mind.
Jaja rhythm break the wall. Revolution for one and all. One drop revolution.
Shake the ground, write your song all around. No more chain, no more illusion. We march with one drop solution.
One drop revolution, strong and free. This is Jah prophecy. Play the drum, chant the song. Love and freedom, live wrong. Yeah, 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 yeah.
One drop revolution.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
One drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no.
One drop revolution.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
One drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no. Beat of the drum.
Ah,
Oh, out of the people.
revolution come.
Oh.
Peaceful but equal.
One drop forever.
Jah guide the steeple, yeah.
Me walk through the valley where the people cry. Babylon system watching from the sky. Soldiers in a street, guns in a youth face, but we still chanting love and grace. Mama cooking rice with tears in her hand. Papa working hard on the stolen land. But no matter how tough the road may bend, we not bow down, we will defend. They try to break our spirit, but still we rise. We wipe the tears from the children's eyes. As long as just Sunday in the sky, freedom a come, no lie. Stand tall, no chains again. We were born to be free, my friend. From the ghetto streets to Zion plain, raise your voice like thunder rain. Stand tall, no chains again. Even when we feel the pain, hold the line, don't lose your flame. Just soldier never walk in vain. Me see kings with crown but no heart inside. light. Me see poor man share his bread worldwide. Them build border but love no wall. We all one people when the night fall. Children singing one love in the breeze. Africa calling through the rustling trees. Drum beat echoing every land. Say rise up youth, time to stand. Mama Africa,
We feel your heartbeat.
oh brothers rise and fight.
Stand for truth and
Stand
love.
broken spirit
No more tears, no more.
Your light guide we through the night sky. Stand tall, no chains again. Let the fire of freedom reign. From Kingston town to Soweto plain, we chant till the whole world gain. Stand tall, no chains again. Iron shackles turn into rain. Let the drum beat wash the pain. One love, one world remain. Oh, no chains again. Stand tall, my friend, till the very end. Your love we defend. Me wake up with the sunrise glow. Hear the birds them sing, feel the river flow. Me spirit whisper, don't you fear. Jah light shine bright, it's always here. In the struggle, me find me peace. In the storm, me find release. Though the world's so cold, me soul still warm. 'Cause Jah protect me from every harm. Light of Jah rising over the mountain high. Wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation, guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul. Give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore, Jah light forevermore. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them look within your heart, that's where Jah fire start. No matter the color, no matter the creed, one blood, one world, one seed. Love and truth, the only plan. Jah create woman and man. Hold up your head, me brother, me sister. Don't let Babylon twist ya. Jah give you life, Jah give you song. Stand tall, you've been strong too long. Light of Jah rising high in the sky. Bless the children, never let them cry. Every beat of the drum, every chant we sing is a prayer to Jah, oh our King. Light of Jah rising, shine on the way. Lead us out of night into brighter day. Roots so deep, spirit strong. Jah love carry we along. Asante Jah,
Thank you, Lord.
me heart and soul restored. Umoja for life, peace we trod. Guided by the hand of Jah God. I rise up now, oh children of light. Jah love make everything right. Africa drum beat the call. Light of Jah shining for all. Light of Jah rising, burn so bright. Fill the world with holy light. No hate, no war, no more pain. Only love shall reign again. A light of Jah rising, deep in the sound. Spirit of freedom all around. From Kingston streets to Zion shore, Jah light
forevermore. Let your light guide your way. Every night, every day, every night, every day, me feel it deep, me heart no lie. Just sun still shine across the sky. Soft wind blowing through your hair, your laughter floating in the air. The world fades when I hold you near. Nothing but your heartbeat in my ear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight, everything feels right. I don't need diamonds, I don't need gold. Your touch is the treasure I wanna hold. When your smile shines, troubles disappear. Every scar becomes crystal clear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight, everything feels right. Let the world spin on its own. Oh, in your arms I feel at home. Every breath, every sigh sings a love that never dies. Everything feels right. Me wake up with the sunrise glow, feet on the ground but me spirit a grow. Hear mama humming ancient song, say old faith child, stay strong. Road dusty but me march again, through the fire, through the pouring rain. Them try to chain, but me heart no tame, cause a warrior of light must remain. No mama say no
fear, my sun star shine brightest when I come. Lift your voice, let the whole earth hear. Jah never far, Jah always near.
I am a warrior of the light, just soldier in the fight. Through the darkness of the night, the spirit still burn bright. No chains can hold me
deep within. Freedom where we begin.
Warrior of the light,
Keep marching through the flame. Call your name, no shame. We rise again and again, till every nation see the truth. No more tears on the youth. We are warriors of love.
standing firm, living proof. Warrior, warrior of the light.
March on, Jah guide me till morning, sunshine bright.
Woke up this morning, breeze so kind. Golden rays are dancing in my mind. Got no worries, let the world just roll. Reggae rhythm healing all my soul. Let the sunshine break the night. Let the music make it right. Sunshine on my soul. Let the good vibes flow. Life's a winding road, but I take it slow. With a heart so free and the ocean breeze. Sunshine on my soul. Bring me peace. Bring me peace. Walking barefoot on the sand. Waves are clapping like a band. Friends are laughing, fires warm and bright. Singing songs beneath the moon tonight. Oh, no chains on me, just harmony. Love and rhythm set me free. Storm may come, but I will stay. With the sunshine guiding my way. Sunshine on my soul. Let the music take control. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Sunshine on my soul. Let the music take control. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah.
The morning breeze, me hear a drum from far away, beating like the heartbeat of the earth and clay. Mama whispers, son, the world can change today if we all love tight and never stray. Children barefoot on the dusty lane, singing songs of hope to hunger pain. Africa cry, Jamaica feel the same. Different land, but the blood one flame. Hand in hand, no matter the skin. Black, brown, white, Jah dwell within. Hear the river, it start to sing. Love is the only win. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no chains tonight. We chant for peace and human right. From Kingston town to Mali sand, unity of the law of Jalan. Elders say history carved in stone and tears, but courage born from struggling years. Fire burn, but spirit stay strong. That's why we sing this freedom tropical flower. No fancy ring, no gold to show, but your heartbeat tell me all I need to know. Life hard sometimes, bills pile high, but when you smile, my spirit fly. You say, baby, love will find a way, and all my troubles slowly fade away. Hold me tight in the gentle rain. Your touch heal me deepest pain. No matter storm or hurricane, you and I remain. Loving all the rubber of rain. You soothe my soul, erase the pain. No diamond, no fortune, no fame, still I whisper softly your name. Loving all the rubber of rain, like reggae rhythm, sweet and plain. In your arms I will remain, forever in this rubber of rain. Lightning flash across the cloudy sky, but in your eyes I see sunshine. We dance slow, barefoot on the floor. No music playing, but we still want more. Kiss on your lips tastes like sugar cane, warm like the fire in a bamboo flame. People search the world for something true, but all I want is right here, me and you. Rain keep falling, but me don't care, long as your fingers run through me here. Let the world run wild out there, we got love to share. Loving all the rubber of rain.
You ease my soul, you heal the pain.
Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain, we beat together, same heart, same lane. Loving all the rubber of rain.
You ease my soul, you heal the pain.
Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain, we beat together, same heart, same lane. Them say love is our weakness, but no, love is the strongest fire we know. Rain might fall, river might overflow, but when two hearts beat as one, love still grows.
Soft chant,
Rubber dub rain.
baby, don't let go.
Rubber dub rain.
Love will overflow.
Loving all the rubber dub rain, from Kingston streets to London train. If the world should cause us pain, we'll rise again in rubber dub rain. Fall, love come, you and I stand tall. Rubber dub rain. Rubber dub rain. Since the day I saw your smile, time froze for just a little while. Didn't know love could feel so true, but every heartbeat calls for you. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you. Through the storm, through the blue, I will stand, I will stay with you till my final day. We don't need crowds, we don't need fame, just whisper softly my name. Let the rain fall, let the night start. Nothing can break this beating heart. If the world falls apart, you'll still live in my heart, like a song
dreams we wanna pursue. Your laughter sweet like island breeze. Your touch calm me heart with ease. When life get rough, when the night's so long, you there beside me, keep me strong. You give me faith, you give me reason. Our love flow through every season. Roots of love growing deep inside. No storm can break, no tide divide. From the earth to the stars above, we hold on strong to the roots of love. Pure and true, every beat me heart belong to you. In this world so cold and rough, we find peace in the roots of love. Me no need diamond, me no need gold, just your warmth when the night get cold. You and me too, soul entwined. In a jar light we always shine. From Kingston town to the ocean blue, every love song remind me of you. Together we rise, together we fall. Still me love you through it all. Every little moment me cherish it so. Every little word make me spirit glow. No Babylon stress can tear this apart. God bless our love from the start. The roots of love, steady like a drum. Beat of me heart, say you the one. From the sunrise to the moon above, we live forever in the roots of love. Yeah. Hold me close, me darling, true. Love so strong, it carry we through. God bless this bond, God bless this way. Roots of love forever stay. Me no fear tomorrow when you dey here. Your voice me comfort, your soul me cheer. In the rhythm of life we groove. One heart, one spirit, one love. Love deep like a tree, stand firm through eternity. No matter the distance, no matter the pain, our roots of love remain. Bloom again and again in sunshine, in joy, in rain. Shall guide our heart from above, forever strong. Roots of love growing deep inside. No storm can break, no tide divide. From the earth to the stars above, we hold on strong to the roots of love. Pure and true, every beat me heart belong to you. In this world so cold and rough, we find peace in the roots of love. I feel your heartbeat next to mine. Love eternal, Jah divine. Through every trial, every shove, we rise again with roots of love. Yeah. Nah, yeah. Still be early morning, sun arise on the hill. Me sip one cup of tea, life still rough, but me will hear the drum beat from the distance. Africa calling, even if me stumble, my spirit not falling. Youth them hustling in a cold city street, barefoot youths in a sun feel the same heartbeat. Babylon put pressure, but we no retreat. 'Cause lion heart still a beat, beat, beat.
Mama said, child, keep love inside. Even when them push you to the darkest side, hold your prayer, let your soul confide. Jah never leave, Jah never hide.
Lion heart still beat, in a fire, in a rain. We rise again, although we feel the pain. From Trent Zone to Soweto Plain, we chant, we sing, we break the chain. Lion heart still beat, no surrender, no fear. Just spirit whisper in every ear. Hold on strong, redemption near. We born for fight, we born for cheer. Sister selling fruits by the roadside stall. Brother carry stone, building hope from the fall. Politician talk, but them no answer the call. Still the poor man dreaming of better for all. Rasta youth read Psalms on that tree. Speak truth, bold love and unity.
unity. He said, freedom a must, not luxury. And Africa flowing, you and me. Hey mama Africa, we hear you calling ya. Oh Jaja, guide with soul, never let we fall. Up warriors, stand tall, stand tall. Love are the key, love conqueror.
Lion heart still beat, stronger than before. We spirit rich though we pocket poor. Spread the love from shore to shore. We not give up, we're raw once more.
Lion heart still beat, let the world unite. Black, white, every nation in the light. Blow the trumpet, keep the fire bright. We destiny is freedom, right?
Oh, lion
heart still beating. Oh, Jah guide the path, me a walking.
no change, no fear, just love we speaking.
Voices in my head keep telling me to quit. World is heavy and the pain don't fit. But I hear a heartbeat louder than the fear. Reggae rhythm whisper, love is always here. Boy, raise your hands, let the sun shine in. Every ending is a place to begin. Even when the night is long and cold, sing your song, let your spirit unfold. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on to hope, don't lose your light. Jaja will guide you through the night. Keep the fire burning, keep your soul alive. Every heartbeat says survive. Stand tall, don't stop, keep turning. Keep the fire burning. Oh, keep the fire burning. Oh, walking through the streets with no gold to show. But I've got love and that's enough to grow. See the children dancing barefoot in the rain, teaching us joy in the middle of the pain. Oh, yeah. Let the drum beat carry you away. Let forgiveness wash the hate away. We are warriors of peace and sound, stronger every time we fall to the ground. stand, I will pray. Guide my way. They offer gold to buy my dreams, silver crown and selfish schemes, but I was born from African clay. My spirit no one can take away. Let the wind carry my song to the ones who feel they don't belong. Lift your head and sing with me. Love is our true legacy. Yeah. Through night and day, keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way. I'm not alone, even far away from home. I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way. I've seen brothers fall to hate, sisters crying at the gate, but even in the hardest time, Jah still whispers you are mine. So let the fire burn in peace, let your anger find release. Plant forgiveness in the ground, and one day love will be found. Oh, emancipate your wandering mind, leave your broken past behind. Every heart was made to shine. We are children of divine. Jah is not in temples made of stone. Jah is found when love is shown. Close your eyes, you will see He lives in you and me. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my soul from drifting away. Through the fire, through the rain, your love heals my pain. Jah guide my way. I'm not alone, even far away from home. I will stand, I will say, Jah guide my way. Night breeze blows soft on the ocean tide. You and I walking slow, side by side. Your hand in mine, heart beating true. Every little star in the sky shine for you. Girl, your laughter sweeter than morning dew. When you smile, my whole world brand new. No diamonds, no gold, just the truth we share. In this life, love is the prayer.
No worry about tomorrow, no cry tonight. As long as you're here, everything feel right. Hold me close, let the world drift away. In your arms, me wanna stay.
Loving all the moonlight under silver sky. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat and mine. Girl, me never know love so kind. Like a reggae song, sweet and divine.
Loving out the moonlight, slow wine and sway. Two souls dancing till the break of day. No matter where this world may go, me heart say, darling, I love you so. Whoa.
Palm trees whisper song in the night. Your kiss warm
want the whole world to know.
Loving under moonlight, soft reggae play. Your head on my shoulder till the morning day. If life is a journey, make we ride it slow. But love is the river, forever it flows.
Moonlight, oh, shine by you and me tonight. Love so right, love so bright. Moonlight, oh, yeah, yeah. Even after the darkest night, the sun will rise again. Trust in Jah plan. Whoa. Sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jah see your tears, He hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, promise morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes life remains, and the sun will rise again. Trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray. Even if your heart feels faint, Jah never give you more than you can take. And the sun will rise again. After hurt, after strain, don't you let your spirit change. Jah light always remain. Oh, you may feel like giving up, you may feel like the world not care, but hear me now. A seed must go down in a darkness before it push to the light and bloom. So don't give up, your sunrise soon. Rise again, rise again, rise again. No chains, no pain can hold you down. Yes, the sun will rise again. Hear the drum, feel the chain break. Friend from Kingston town to Berlin land, hope will always remain. Sun will rise again, don't you cry no more. Open up your heart, open up the door. From the river to the plain, Jah beneath the sand. You can't erase Jah master plan. Drums of freedom call our name through every fire, every flame. From the ashes we still breathe. We are the children time can't defeat. So lift your voice to the morning sky. No more tears for the days gone by. Oceans apart but spirit near. Africa calling, do you hear? Africa we rise again, mama. Through the fire, through the pain. No chain can stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore, we are one forevermore. Africa, Africa, rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein. They stole our names, burnt our flag, made we walk with heavy back. But Yoruba blood, Swahili song, still alive, still beating strong. Hear the children chant, Hakuna Hofu.
No more fear.
Hear the elder whisper, Jah is here. From diaspora tears we climb, turning sorrow into holy rhyme. Oh, Uhuru, Uhuru,
Mama land we coming home.
Amandla Awetu,
Power to the people.
Jah guide, Jah shield, we never alone.
Africa we rise again. Africa we rise again.
Oh mama, yeah. Africa we rise again. Through the fire, through the pain. No chain can stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore, we are one forevermore. Africa, Africa, rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein. One heart, one drum, one destiny. Jah bless Africa.